Do you want to increase the maximum file upload size in WordPress? Sometimes low file upload size limit can stop you from uploading files via media uploader, plugins and theme. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. You can get many of premium themes and plugins which I will give in the upcoming days. In this video, I will show you 4 easy methods to increase the maximum file upload size in WordPress to fix those errors. File. For this purpose, go to your WordPress dashboard and then go to the appearance and click on open the theme editor and find the function.php file. Here it is. We have function.php file. Click on this. Go to another line and paste the following code. And update the file. It will take few seconds. Then check the maximum file upload size. Here we have. In this way, we can easily increase our maximum upload file size from 64 MB to 512 MB. For this method, you need to access your WordPress site root folder using File Manager on your hosting account or cPanel dashboard. Find the .htaccess file and paste the following code in the end of the file. Paste the code before the end WordPress line and save the file. Okay, now go to your WordPress dashboard and check the media file size. It's changes from 2 MB or 6 MB to. There's the second method you can use to increase the maximum upload file size. The last and the best method is to use maximum file size plugin. With this method, you can increase the maximum file size up to 1 GB. Go to your dashboard and click on add new plugins and find the maximum file size. Here we have increased maximum upload file size. You can also download it manually from the link given in the description below. Click on installation. Activate the plugin. Go to the second, you will find the increase maximum upload file size option here. Click on this. Okay. Here we have different options from 16 MB to 1 GB. You can increase your upload size up to 1 GB. Now click on Save Changes. Okay, now check the upload file size. Okay, maximum upload file size is increased up to the 1 GB. You can upload larger file by this method. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe